do not spend any of the shield pennies that you see in this video without first knowing how much they're actually worth, because the coins in this video sold for a whole lot more money than you may think. Take a look at this 2020 shield penny, for example. This one was graded by PCGS as a mint state 66 red. This coin has what collectors call a retained CUD. So essentially when they're producing the coins, after a period of time, the hub which strikes the coin broke and the piece still stayed inside. Now this happened on a lot of these coins until one of the quality control managers saw what was happening and was able to switch out the hub in time, but this one little penny sold for $385. Same thing here, but this one sold for $505. Now one thing you need to be very careful of on eBay is whenever you see one bid and or you see the seller have zero or low feedback. Now here's the thing, this coin definitely looks genuine to me, but the thing is, the actual sale may not be relevant or true. Most of the time, graded coins will bring more money than raw coins like this, so it's very questionable that this coin sold for $505. Now before you get your coin graded, realize that it takes a lot of time to get your coin back, and not only that, but grading is not the cheapest thing in the world. You do not want to send your coin off to get graded unless you know that it's going to bring a lot of money in auction like this. Now let's look at this 2019 shield penny that sold for $680. Now the chances of getting a high grade at a perfect 70 just like this is slim to none. The people that are sending coins in like this typically send thousands of coins until they eventually get the finest grade of a 70 like this one. It's so challenging to get that grade, but if you do, then you've hit the mother lode, because again, this coin sold for $680. So this coin sold for $1,205, and pretty much what they're calling this coin, you know, in the title, they're calling it a DDS, a proof-like copper coin. They're calling it an heir, all sorts of things. Now, if you see underneath Lincoln there, you're going to see VDB. Those are the initials of the engraver and designer of the original Lincoln cent wheat penny. Now, that doesn't really mean anything in this situation, but you can see on the date there, the person points out with arrows that it looks like there is some doubling. Now, there's two types of doubling you need to look out for. There's genuine doubling, where it looks identical to the numbers, but it's just shifted. And then you have mechanical or machine doubling, which essentially has the look of a step and is not as round or smooth as real doubling. What you need to know is that machine or mechanical doubling is pretty much not valuable whatsoever, but true genuine doubling will increase the value of the coin. In this example, the seller has zero feedback. Once again, very suspicious. I would not spend anywhere near this amount of money for this coin, but it looks like someone did, so keep your eyes peeled for coins that have genuine doubling, because they could be worth good money. Now I just wanted to show you these ones really quick. Person's calling this one a 2019 W proof. First of all, you can see the D mint mark below the date there. That means this coin was struck at the Denver mint and not the West Point mint. So this person has no idea what's going on, but it sold for just over $2,500. So what I think happened here was they put it up for sale, and then their friend, or they did it on a different account, purchased the item, trying to increase the value of coins like this. So you need to be very careful of things like this happening on eBay. Same thing here. This is a 2016 coin. They're calling it a proof, but it is not a proof. Most of the time, proof coins will be produced at the San Francisco mint. They will have an S mint mark. This has a D mint mark. This coin sold for, again, over $2,500. It's the same seller. The person has zero feedback. Be very careful when buying online, because you don't want to run into people like this. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. I'll see you guys in the next one.